Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this 2014 look and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles, and then for this one you're going to choose only bangs, and then you're going to put on this hairstyle, make it no bangs as well. And then for the next one you're going to put on this sunglasses and make the frame black, and this necklace make it black, and also this one make it white and black, and then you're going to choose the gold too. Okay, and then you're going to put on this top, and for this top you're going to make it white and black for the second selection, and you're going to put on the sleeves, make it to gold 3, and then you're going to make it black. Alright, and then you're going to put on this sock. You're going to make it high striped socks and then make it black and white. Okay, it's done, and you're going to put on this mesh, make it thick, and you're going to put on this boots, just leave it like that. And the next one I'm going to put on this short jeans and make it black, and I'm going to go to the dressing room. Then we're going to go to the coat item and put on this item, and you're going to change the toggle to tie the jacket and apply this pattern. Okay guys, and then you're going to put on the skateboard and you're going to make it black. Okay, make it black for the first selection, and also the second selection, the third selection as well, and for the fourth selection you're going to make it gray. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.